What a mix up. What a mix up. What a mix up. What a mix up.
I've been working at the zoo for the summer, and I've found a love that's real. And let me tell you this, you've not lived till you've cuddled and kissed with a seal. Neighbors, I've got very nosy neighbors. They followed me into the bathroom. How they drive me round the bend. I bent down to pick the soap out of the bathtub. That's when my neighbors became good friends. Bless my soul, what a tragedy. Since Michael Jackson had his plastic surgery, his nose began to itch and he began to cough. His bum fell off. 1, 2, 3, what a mix-up!
What a mix up.
This year I'm back out of Spain. Spent 3 weeks in Gatwick. Next year I'm going back again. For 3 weeks in Gatwick.
Is this a party or what? What?
We'll make love on a mountain top. If only I could. If only I could. If only I could.
Is this your real wife? She's very fat, you see. Look at her waistline. She's filled to capacity.
I see you stuffing cream cakes and jam in your mush, in your mush. Oh, where did that meringue go? Margie Paradise, change stuff and down like lightning.
Hello, table for two.
Chop, chop, chop suey, chop, chop, chop suey.
Coming to my restaurant. Very, very hungry. You can have a takeaway. If you're in a hurry. A nice beef curry, give a dicky tummy, try some bites, some mushroom bouillon takeaway.
Chop suey,
Takeaway.
chop suey.
London, New York, Paris, Italy, everybody eating chop suey.
Here's a little song I wrote. I had to sing it all, it knackered up me throat. And I'm very unhappy. Give me a couple of lemons and a coconut and I'll be okay.
What a mix-up.
28, 46, 41. Yeah. 32, 48, 23. Yeah. 31, 15, 22. Yeah. Are you ready, squad? Yeah. Go.
If you go into the loo where all the boys go, see the writing on the wall. It's hard to understand cause it's been done by hand and all you're looking at is scroll. But in the ladies, it's as neat as it can be.
In the ladies.
So plain for you to see.
In the ladies. 'Cause both their hands are free. In the ladies. In the ladies. We want you. We want you. We want you in the ladies' loo.
He walked up to me and told me to get out of the club. He said, get out of here. You'd be better off back down the pub. Then he dragged me off the floor. Told me not to come back no more. The big ugly bouncer threw me out of the door. And then he kicked me. Samantha Box was looking her best. She almost wore a low-cut vest.
me out, but what a lovely way to die.
What a mix up.
Hey, what a mix-up!
What a mix up.
Sorry. 28, 46, 41.
Yeah.
32, 48, 23.
Yeah.
31, 15, 22.
Yeah.
Are you ready, squad?
Yeah.
Go.
Ta-da!